It's time to blend the colors. Spin, spin, spinning round. It's time to blend the colors. Let's see what shades we found. What color makes a bright red hue? What color makes a bright red hue? Let's peek inside and find a clue. Look, juicy cherries too. What shines just like the sun so high? What shines just like the sun so high? Let's toss it in and give it a try. Hey, a mango flying by. What's yellow sweet and makes us grin? What's yellow sweet and makes us grin? Peel it quick, drop it in. Banana day begins. What's green and fresh from leaves we see? What's green and fresh from leaves we see? Crunchy and cool it's meant to be. Let's add some kiwi wee. What twinkles blue under summer skies? What twinkles blue under summer skies? Let's scoop them in a fruity surprise. Blueberries yum so nice. Sweet babe. What purple fruit rolls down the lane? What purple fruit rolls down the lane? Round and sweet we'll add again. Yes, plump grapes remain. Mix the colors, blend and spin. Watch the rainbow swirl within. Sip